ahead and get started on this next example. And on this next example, we are given triangle DEF, and we're actually asked to find both cosine, sine, and tangent. So in this case, and this is based off angle F, and here's our triangle. So let's go ahead and get started. I do want to go ahead and get started by first labeling what angle we're given. So we're basing that off angle F. So in this case, first thing we want to go ahead and identify is what's our opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse as our side. Now, the given one is obviously the hypotenuse, so the side that is opposite to the 90-degree angle is our hypotenuse. So let's go ahead and show that. Side opposite to it would be the hypotenuse. So in this case now, based off angle F, the side opposite to angle F in this case would be known as the opposite. So in this case, that would be the 12. So this here is my opposite. And the side that shares the 90-degree angle, or the side that is next to my opposite side, would be the adjacent. So now let's go ahead and move on to identifying what cosine, sine, and tangent of F equal. Now I did write our acronym here. We have SOHCAHTOA, and in this case, if I want to go ahead and find cosine, cosine is basically adjacent over hypotenuse. So all we have to do here is basically substitute the values for each of these sides. So then in this case, cosine of F in this case equals the adjacent side, which in this case would be 5, over my hypotenuse, which is 13. So this here would be cosine of F. So we have that one down. Now let's go ahead and move on to sine. Now sine in this case is equal to the side opposite over the hypotenuse. So in this case, let me just go ahead and rewrite this. We have sine of F equals, the side opposite in this case measures 12, and the hypotenuse in this case equals 13. So this here would be our final answer. So the only thing is that once you identify which one's your opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse, all you have to do here is just do basic substitution for whatever you're asked to find. So now last one would be tangent, and tangent in this case, or TOA, if we look here, would be basically our opposite side over the adjacent side. So if we solve this here, we have tangent of F equals the side opposite has a measurement of 12, and the adjacent side has a measurement of 5. So this here would be our final answer.